Friday, everybody. I want to apologize for not posting a video yesterday. I don't know what happened, but I know what happened. So let me explain. As the day was going on, I was filming and I just started to feel like crap. I had this huge headache that I just could not get rid of. I felt just like lightheaded and just off. So I don't know what was going on, but lo and behold, last night, I got my period again. Okay, so now it's coming every 3 weeks. Menopause is happening. So anyway, I laid down. I had this headache. I could not get rid of it. I had just like an ice pack on my head. My eyes hurt. I felt like shit. So for that reason alone, because you know I love to post, I just didn't post. I am with Jess. I had to drop him off. He's getting his truck fixed. There are a couple things that needed to be worked on, so I'm waiting for him to come out of the car place here, and then we will head back home. And so I brought a creamy double peanut butter crisp bar with me, and I'm gonna have that now. And I think I'm like parked in two spots, so let me move for this lady here. Hold on. Sorry about that. So when I got here early this morning, there was nobody, and now I guess everybody's pulling in for work. So, and I would happen to be in two spots by accident because it was deserted. And when I tell you the size of this place, it's ginormous. And of course, now everybody wants to park by me. So anyway, okay, so let's see. I brought the peanut butter bar. I had some coffee. I am going to be chugging water today, especially with the situation, because tomorrow's my weigh-in day. And I know that I've been on track, and I know that I will have another good weigh-in, but I don't want my period to affect it. How mental, right? Okay, so because I did weigh myself this morning and I'm up a little bit, you know why, right? It's not anything. I've been dedicated, committed all week. So chugging my water and hopefully able to flush some of my bloat out to reflect on the scale in the morning. And I'm excited. So weigh-in day tomorrow. I'm excited. So today I want to show you a little bit. I did start doing bullet journaling, which is so much fun. If you are into drawing and lists and things like that, you will love this. I'll get more into it when I show you, but it is just, I love it. It's just a really good stress reliever when you draw out your pages and you figure out what kind of lists and things you're gonna make, and it's super satisfying when you get to cross things off and all of that. So I'll show you the supplies, I'll show you my journal. That'll be exciting. I will also continue to show you how I cook my lean and greens. You guys seem to really like that, so I will do that. And let's get the day started. It is Friday, everybody. The weekend is almost here. I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna go eat my peanut butter bar. Yes, Mr. Peanut Butter Bar. Hey guys, I want you to see the largest display of Halloween pumpkins I've ever seen. Driving down a street, check it out. How cool, right? This is the coolest display of pumpkins I've ever seen. How do you have so many pumpkins? Where do you find all of these pumpkins? And look at this house. It's literally like a castle. This is so neat. Look, I'm still going. Still going, still going. Holy crud moly. And look at the house next door. I swear it's like the Addams family.
No, we can't compete.
The Munsters. All right, just wanted to show you. Okay, so what's my motto, guys? Always be prepared, right? Always keep something with you. Well, today I'm eating my own words because I am at 3 hours since I had that peanut butter bar and I have no feelings with me. And I probably won't be home for at least another half hour. And I'm hungry. I am really hungry right now. So yeah, I'm obviously not going in anywhere to get something to substitute. I'm just going to wait till I get home. But be prepared, guys. Take stuff with you always. And I always do. I just didn't replenish. When I take the stuff out of my glove box, you're supposed to put back in, and I forgot to do so. So shame on me. Just a little lesson here I wanted to throw in. Finally made it back home, and I'm having the chocolate chip cookie, and I undercook it because I like it chewy, like kind of like a cookie dough. I cook it for 45 seconds. Still can't smell 100%, but I can smell it, and I'm ready to eat it. So this is fueling number 2. Gonna write it down on my board. Gonna finish my work, and then we're gonna get into the bullet journal. Can't wait. Fueling number 3 time. Mashed potatoes. And today I was really craving one of those bagels, but I'm not doing it. I'm not adding anything extra today because I weigh in the morning and I'm chugging the water and I'm doing everything I can. Working right now, just finishing up some work, and then, oh my gosh, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Ready? Hold on, let me move my water. Sneak peek of the bullet journal. Hold on, guys. I was doing this. I'm so excited. And I got pink, my favorite. So we're gonna be going over that a little later, but in the meantime, I'm gonna eat these mashed potatoes, finish my work that I have left to do, and then I'm gonna start working on this baby, and we will get into that. So see you in a little while. All right, so I am bullet journaling. And if you guys don't know what bullet journaling is, I'm going to give it to you very simply because I'm not a pro, brand new to me. I love to write things down, and I noticed that when I was using my board out in the kitchen, the dry erase board, and I was able to track everything, it just took this to a whole nother level. Like, I was able to really pinpoint and know exactly where I was in regards to my eating every day. So I started looking up journaling because I've done that in the past, and I came across something called bullet journaling, which really was something that I was drawn to because I love to draw and paint, and I'm very creative that way. I took art in high school, was in like art shows with some of my things, and I've always loved art. I was actually an arts and crafts director back when I was in high school at a camp one summer. So art is just, I love to doodle and all that other stuff. Long story made short. Bullet journaling like popped on my computer when I was looking up journaling for weight loss, and this is so much fun. So you can get as creative as you want. So a bullet journal, I'm going to show you the inside. You see these dots? Those dots help you when you draw because you can keep things perfectly symmetrical. So I'm going to give you an example. You can do anything in your journal. And the first thing I started off with, which was something I'm going to start with on Monday, I did a meal plan. So I'm going to be able to write all the different meals down, 1 through 6, and my fats and my condiments and things like that. Then I got real creative and just decided to make a doodle spread. So you can see how much I love to draw. So on this side, it says lifestyle plan. There's a little box that says no sugar, 64 ounces of water, 10,000 steps a day. My food log, no eating after 7, because you know that's something that I love to do. And exercise 5 days a week. And I tried to draw the little circles from my Apple Watch with the little running man there. So that's that page. And then this is just, I copied this little girl off of Line and some of these things also. You can go online and find tons of inspiration. But this is supposed to be me with my goal body, right? Clearly, this is not realistic. But I thought she was cute. And she's holding a cup of coffee. And she's thinking about her day. And one of the bubbles says, stay focused, you can do this. Then she says, wait, but first coffee. You guys know that is like my heart and soul in the morning, my cup of coffee. So I'm just working on it. And like, honestly, it's relaxing. It's something to do. I'm going to put a weight tracker in there where I can check off my boxes for each pound. I mean, the sky is the limit. And the whole point is I'm going to keep this with me and I'm going to use it and I'm going to reference it and I'm going to look at this stuff. This is Brittany's bag of markers and pens and stuff she lent me. But I think this is just a really, again, it's a good way to write. I could write my feelings down. I could do like a mood page, like colored something in if I'm having a good day, a bad day, just a sleep tracker. I could keep track of, did I go over? Did I go under? Was I not hungry that day? Was I hungry that day? And just kind of keep track. So this is a work in progress. The 2 pages that I just showed you, these 2 pages took me like a whole day to do because, you know, I work. So it's kind of in between. Last night I didn't feel good. So I worked on this one a little bit today to finish it off. But, you know, you can get as creative as you want. Again, like this thing is really kind of neat. You can put in, I could put in anything and I could just, I have, the book is numbered. It is, let me show you what it's called actually. I got this, you can buy these online on Amazon. That is what this one is. Don't even know how to pronounce it. Lectrum, 1917. Pages are numbered in this one, and I have 251 pages. That's a lot of pages. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to doodle in it, and as I do this, I'll show you. And if any of you out there do this, please comment below and tell me where you get your inspiration, where you find your page layouts. Do you make them yourself? Oh, and it also has, you know, one of these little rubber, not rubber band, I don't know, elastics, so you can mark your pages and whatnot, or just close it up. I'm going to show you. I'll close it. There it is, closed. So you can keep it in your bag. But if you guys do this, please let me know. I'm really curious. And then if you're in the Keeping It Optavia with Felicia Nurse Facebook group that I have, I would love to see pictures of things that you're doing. So let me know. And like I said just before, as I get this filled and, you know, with inspiration, I mean, you don't have to draw. You can get stickers. You can cut pictures out. You can make it like, you know, like a motivational page, which I plan on doing, cutting out some pictures from magazines maybe and gluing them on a page. Just, the sky is the limit. This is for you. This is like a personal something that's tangible that I can write in and always keep with me. So if I'm ever having a bad day, I just open this up and look at the pages that I spent time drawing out, mapping out, creating for myself. So that's pretty much it. So again, bullet journal. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you at the next fueling, which is only going to be in about 45 minutes. It's almost lean and green time. I can't believe it. Time is just flying by. All right. See you soon. All right, guys. So it's lean and green time, and I'm honestly not even hungry for the lean and green yet. So I made a shake. Chocolate shake, water and ice, nothing else added. I don't know. I'm not having a hungry day today at all. Probably because, you know, my period came. And usually like the day of or day after, it just totally tones down. And I wasn't hungry to begin with because I've been so true to plan that I am in like major fat burn. And you know when that happens, you have no appetite. So that's where we're at right now. Britt, you're cleaning your room. Good job. It's Friday. Cheers to the freaking weekend, right? That's what Rihanna's saying. Hey guys, I have a quick errand to run. So lean and green tonight is going to be the last refueling. So right now we're at number 5 and I'm doing the drizzled fudge bar. I hate this because I weigh in the morning and I really didn't want a full belly at the end of the night, but it is what it is. Back on the road. We'll see you at Leading Green. So we're here at Lowe's getting some mums, some cabbage, some pumpkins to decorate the house outside. Waiting for Jess, and when we're done, we'll head home and have our Leading Green. So see you over at the house. Do I look like hell? I look like hell. It's been a freaking long day. Thank God it's over. That's all I can say. It's been a long day. Oh my God. All right. I was not in the mood to cook tonight at all. It's late. It is 7:36 Eastern time. Half hour past my normal, what I like to eat. So here's my dinner, guys. This is a bowl of romaine lettuce, tuna fish, and the proper amount of avocado to equate to my good fat. So, and I have a little lemon juice squeezed on top. I'm just shot, guys. I'm shot. I need to go take a shower. Brittany's cooking something for herself. I can't. I have no energy. Tomorrow's going to be hi, Britt. Tomorrow's going to be a really long day. We're headed up to Califon, New Jersey, to Aunt Jane's house, our aunt that passed away. And we're going to be doing a lot of work up there because they're having several people come and look at her house. And so I'm going to bring you up there because there's so much I want to show you. She was a big-time antique collector, dealer, what have you. She's got a spiral staircase from, I believe, Yankee Stadium. She's got like really, really cool stuff. So I'm going to bring you along. I think Jess and I might try to do the Q&A on the way up and answer all those questions for you. And we'll make it a fun day for you, I promise. I know today's video wasn't the best, but it's been a really long week. So busy at work and it's just taken up so much time. So thanks for sticking with me. I promise tomorrow will be much better. Go back to my normal kind of video because I don't have to answer my phone tomorrow whatsoever. So all my attention will be towards you guys. All right, going to eat this joyous salad. Here it is again. And I'll see you all tomorrow. And don't forget, stay focused and remember that all of us can do this if we do it together. Have a great night, guys.